Hey friends, in this video we are going to talk about interest income. Interest income is the amount paid to an entity for lending its money or letting another entity use its funds. An investor's money is put into an investment or project on a larger scale, earning interest. Interest income is not the same as dividend income. The former is an amount earned for letting another person or an organization use one's funds. At the same time, the latter is an amount that comes from the company's profits. Return is the money made or lost on an investment over some time. Risk implies future uncertainty about deviation from expected earnings or expected outcome. Return versus risk trade-off implies risk increases with returns. There are 8 types of interest income. This type of investment in a large organization has a shallow risk of default. They provide a low return on your investment. Some examples are saving account, which has the lowest risk and provides the minimum interest of 3% to 5%. Fixed deposit in bank account provides slightly higher return of around 5% to 7%, but money is locked for fixed period. Post office deposits is also good ways to earn interest as it is more secured with similar interest. This type of investment provides a high return on the investment. The risk comes due to business or firm size. Exchange-traded funds and debt mutual funds provide a high return of 8% to 12%, but the risk of losing all money is also high. Bonds and sovereign gold bonds provide some fixed income with interest rate of around 2.5% and variable income. Added income depend on market volatility. In all, person can earn interest from 2.5% to 16% from it. How hard is it to get started? The toughness range is determined by whether you want to invest in low-risk or high-risk products. Savings accounts, fixed deposits, and other low-risk products are available. How hard to make the first 1000 rupees from it? The first 1000 rupees you earn will also be determined by the level of risk you are willing to take. The interest rate on a low-risk investment, such as a savings account, is low, around 3.5%, depending on the size of the investment. For example, if you put 30,000 rupees in a savings account with a 3.5% interest rate for a year, you will get 1000 rupees in return. A high-risk investment can be made quickly, but it comes with a high risk of losing money. How hard is it to maintain? Interest is primarily a passive source of income. The amount of money earned is inversely proportional to the amount of time spent working. For example, the person must work for less time to achieve this amount of money. Success story. Rajat Gandhi, the founder and CEO of Faircent, India's largest peer-to-peer lending platform, has over 20 years of experience as a marketer, strategist, and brand builder. Rajat, one of India's first internet professionals, has pioneered the concept of online peer-to-peer lending in the country, establishing Faircent as the country's largest peer-to-peer lending platform. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos.